Okay, what's up guys? I'm cute. I need to go to my car real quick. Where's my phone? On the charger. Hold on. On the charger. So it's on 75%. I'm actually Ubering to Publix, and I know it's like, why do you have a car? My car's not registered yet. Mind your business. Hold on. Whoa. I gotta grab the key. And this is the thing. I'm always losing something. I need to put some type of lip balm on my lips, even though I hate the EOS one now. People talk so much mess about it. So my boyfriend hates that I got this little thing from Five Below. What is it? What does it do? What does it do? Oh, right here. Because it's a PS4 controller, not an Xbox one. But I did tell him I always started with PS4. PlayStation all the way, baby. Alright, hold on. Let's go to the car. Who's outside? I don't like to. Anyway, do not look. It looks hot. It looks hot outside. It's actually not that hot, but I am wearing booty shorts. Ooh, there's a spider web on my car. That's not cute. Hold on. I cannot see crap. Okay. The lighting sucks. Sorry. So what I needed in my car is not in my car. I took it out. No, it's there. So I do have a car, and this isn't the best. Where's the lighting? The lighting is everywhere, but not with me. So I do have a car, but I did not get my tag yet for my car because I had to, my boyfriend, we got my car fixed, and I haven't got it registered, and I bought this little cheap. Sorry, I had to wait till my my neighbor left. They were staring. I'm not going to Publix. It says it's 4 minutes away. I could, but I didn't get my tag yet because we had to fix my car because it was having some issues. I did buy a car from like it was like a wholesale car basically. It's hot. It's so hot. I just came in here to put on my little thing to see if it worked, and I was doing it wrong the whole time, so it's been working. So I haven't been able to do that, and when I took it to get emissions, it said it was the readiness, and we put on 50 miles, but they said I gotta put on 50 more miles. So oh my god, there's a little freaking gecko. Oh hell no. I mean, I'm sorry, that thing is ugly. I hate insects. I would show you, but now I can't get out the car. No, I can't get out the car. Actually, I think I'm gonna vlog on my phone because it's hot, and I think I have to drive. Yeah, I gotta put on 50 more miles on my car before I can do anything. So, and the way life is looking right now, I didn't lock the door. It's fine. It's fine. So I gotta do that, but I did get a car. His name is Costanza. I don't know if I make a video, but I did get wholesale for $2,500. It's just to get back and forth, like really for work. I don't go nowhere but my boyfriend's house and work, if anything. So yeah, I guess I'll vlog a little, talk to you guys about the experience. While I'm not gonna use this camera, I'm about to use my phone because I got it to work. Like, But yeah, I'm in my car, so what's it? So like I was saying, I'm in my car. His name is Costanza, because that's one of my favorite personals on my favorite shows. Seinfeld, one of my favorite shows. Sometimes I forget like how to drive. Oh wait, hold on. Yeah, okay. So yeah, I gotta put on 50 more miles. So what I've been doing to do that is actually driving it in my neighborhood, because honestly the way that life is set up, right now, I really don't trust driving a car on the street when I don't have a tag or it's not registered, which is so understandable, you know. This Black Lives Matter movement, I'm not trying to be funny, but it's really nerve-wracking. So I've been just driving my neighborhood to get used to driving in general. I can drive. I just haven't drove by myself, and I haven't drove. I'm sorry. I was making sure my chicken. This steering wheel is so hot. I'm investing in one thing. People make me nervous in this neighborhood because they got nice cars, and I got a beat up car, which I'm very grateful for, because I paid for it by myself. And how many of y'all can say that? Not that it matters. Like, if y'all parents help y'all, like, kudos to you. Because if my parents could have told me they were going to pay for my car, blessings on blessings. But I'm really just practicing driving and reversing. Not that it matters. Can't go but like 5 miles per hour. But like right there, I just like passed a car, and that's not the first time, but I have anxiety, so I'm trying to get used to actually driving and controlling my anxiety at the same time. So I should have went that way, but my ex-boyfriend, his car, oh my god, my neighbors, is that my neighbor? I'm really turning into here. To driving in the same instance of controlling my anxiety. Already said that. So yeah, and I'm putting on more miles. I didn't even put on a mile, but it's just practice. I would love to go out to Publix. I have to, like I said, I'm Ubering to Publix after I do this for a little bit, because I gotta get some groceries. But I mean, I live 4 minutes. I already checked. I live 4 minutes from Publix, and even though this car has been at my boyfriend's, like, I've used this car in Buford and all that jazz, and drove on the highway. No, I didn't drive on the highway, my boyfriend did, but we drove it on the highway. Even though we did all that good stuff, like, honestly, while I'm alone as a black woman, while cops are out here killing us, I personally would rather I would just rather practice in my neighborhood. My neighborhood's not that big. I could drive to my friend's house. I can drive. I'm just, you know, right now it's just not the good time to drive. Like, you know, illegally. My car is insured. That is done. My car has a push to it. I really don't like that. My car is actually very powerful. My car is very powerful. It has a kickback to it, as my boyfriend would say. Oh shoot. Well, that would have been good. I think I'm gonna go home. Bitches are making me, people are making me nervous. I'm trying to see what this car's doing. It's kind of in my way. My friend lives like 1 minute from me. But she made it seem like I couldn't come over. I'm not gonna come over then. No, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna keep driving. This is my own worst fear of really driving. My car does have a push though. I'm even surprised that I'm scared. I'm scared. And my right foot hurts because I ride on the brake. Should I turn in here? No, let's turn in here. But I really just got a car so I could drive to work. I'm not crazy. I'm not. Bird, don't be the first victim. Because one thing I do not. Okay, so I literally did not even was able to drive a mile because my phone overheated. And this one person, they was scaring me. Like, I literally parked not even that bad. I ain't parked that bad. But they did make me park kind of stupid, and I'm kind of upset about that. So today, I'm gonna make dinner tonight. I'm gonna make some red potatoes. I'm probably gonna roast them. Roasted red potatoes. And I got a few more shrimp, but I think I'm gonna go to the store and get some more. Well, I was gonna do that anyway. Get some more shrimp. I need to get some more creamer. I need to put that on my list. More creamer. I already bought more coffee. Baby, turn up. Let me see. See, but I go. Bum, bum, bum. Okay. So shrimp. I already have shrimp on there. Creamer. I need to add creamer. I don't. Honestly, guys, with this whole situation with my procedure, it's an endoscopy. Girl, basically, even with me being okay, like when I eat food, I gotta be very cautious because everything makes me feel sick. And I think I'm gonna get more of, these are my favorite drinks as of right now. I bought these, they're the same brand, but these are mineral rock. Maybe we should try this. Actually, not maybe, we should. I bought it for like $6 and I kind of want to try it. Okay, well, that's not gonna be cute. See if it's good, and if it's good, we're still gonna buy those because the blood orange, I used to get those at Starbucks all the time when I didn't really want something from Starbucks. I just wanted a drink, and it was still overly priced. But this one is a dark Morello, cherry, and pomegranate, so it looks cute, you know, a little fancy, but I'm not really into sparkling water. Yeah, and my phone overheated. It's 2:12. Let's see. You know, it's not bad. Like, it's not, it's sparkling water. I hate sparkling water, but it's not bad. I mean, for me, I'm trying to get more into drinking water. 0 calories per Okay, so I would recommend this if you're in the market for some sparkling water and you're like skeptical because they all taste like crap. This is actually a really good brand. And it's not that big, so if I don't like it, I'll just finish this one and then be done with. I mean, I still got like 6 more, but or 7 more. I don't know how many came in here. But I'm gonna cook. I'm gonna cook tonight. Is my phone done overheating? There we go. All right, I'll check back in with you guys when I'm at Publix, I guess. Really don't know at this point. Oh, and I am going to my mom's to film, so. And this eyebrow looks perfect. How about this one? Yeah, girl, ain't nobody can tell me nothing these days about my eyebrows. Okay.
Set up like a little table right here. Run the cord right there.
Talking about getting a projector.
I don't know, not unless you can do something, make it come out of that speaker I have.
So that actually has the
We just chilling, right? Peanut. Can you see Peanut? Oh yeah, you can.
So nice out here. Slept him on his boot.
Ready to record on the show to be like, okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
All right.
We're so goofy.